Today I am going to show you how to use Social Tips Calendar. Let's start by explaining what it's all about. Well, everyone sometimes struggles to find inspiration for posts. That's why we created Social Tips Calendar, where you can find social tips and inspiration for upcoming days. How to use it? Log into your panel, then click on the Social Tips Calendar tab, just here. Now you can see and use everyday social tips. If you want to use any post, make sure you choose the account in the left bar, right here or while creating the post. Click on the Use Post button on the post you chose to use. Now, as you can see, the dialog box with creating a post is displayed. You can choose appropriate accounts here as well. You can add something to the post or leave it as it is. You can now simply schedule it or save it as a draft. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can watch more of our tutorial videos by checking our YouTube channel.